Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rick and Nikki here.
Hello!
Popping into SeaWorld for food and fun.
Love it.
Let's get to it.
And you know what? While we're here, we'll do a little construction update on the new surf coaster.
What do you want to do first?
Eat.
Food or fun? And you choose food.
I choose food.
Well, food can be fun.
It's lunchtime, so yeah, let's have some fun with some food.
The Seven Seas Food Festival is happening right now, and I think they have a little Mardi Gras action happening too. Here comes the coaster.
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
My childhood.
Your childhood.
Elementary school field trips to SeaWorld. Always loved it.
Very cool. There's some high school ones here today.
Ah, yeah, what you gonna do?
Come have some fun, ride some rides, eat some foods.
Learn about some fish.
Pardon our bubbles. More than just coaster construction happening here. They're sprucing up the park in other areas. The first food kiosk we run across is the Polynesian Market. Usually a hot dog stand here, but some choices, some lamb ribs, some ahi tuna poke nachos. I think we're gonna pass by this one though.
Well, I like this little stand here. It's the chef's new favorites. Italian cannoli, classic Reuben, pork belly, shrimp fritters, maybe, maple hog, and smoked jerk chicken slider. The Seven Seas Food Festival runs now through May 7th, Thursdays through Sundays. They do have some sampling options if you want to get a sampling lanyard for some food. I don't think we're going to do that today. I think we're just going to do onesie twosies, just get maybe 2 or 3 items, but you can get a lanyard. 15 item package, 85 bucks. 10 item package, 70 bucks. There are 2 or 3 items from the North Atlantic market that we want to try. I think we will get the lobster roll, and it's close between like the fish and chips or the shrimp fritters. I think I'll go fritter. I'll go fritter on Friday. The classic lobster roll, lobster, brioche bun, butter, lettuce, and if you're gluten sensitive, just eat the lobster right out of the bun. Leave the bun behind. And the shrimp fritters, Prince Edward Island shrimp with a fermented spicy aioli. Wow, that was the best fritter I've had this Friday.
I see what you did there.
They were pretty good. I really like the aioli that came with it, kind of spicy. That was delicious, yes.
Yeah.
The corn stuff I didn't care for, but the fritter with that spicy aioli, mwah, delicious.
The lobster was amazing. Oh my gosh. Normally I just like butter on my lobster, but whatever they had in it was really good. I just didn't eat the bread, you know, so I mean, and it was nicely set on the lettuce.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Worked out well
and they
for
gave
you.
me a very big scoop.
Yeah.
Like huge. I was like,
was
wow, it was like a double scoop.
You were like thanking them.
I was. So I picked up, I was like, wow, thank you for so much.
What do you do now? Go ride a ride or go see some sharks? We can do a combo.
I want to see some sharks and then do...
We'll ride Mako.
Mako.
So we'll see some sharks and then ride some sharks. Let's do it.
Yay.
And here we are, shark encounter entrance. Before dinosaur, before birds, before humans, there were sharks.
I think we're going to need a bigger boat.
Those guys like
that was the shark encounter. Thanks for chomping by. Pretty cool seeing the sharks, but you know, once you've done what I've done, which is go shark diving.
Yes, literally swimming with them.
Yeah, cageless. I was just hanging on a rope at the end of a boat, watching the sharks swim by. I'll leave a link to that video. Super fun. I do recommend it.
Yeah, absolutely.
But if you can't get down to Jupiter and do that, come check out the shark encounter at SeaWorld.
Now that we've looked at sharks, let's ride a shark. Mako is just a 5-minute wait. Well, that one will blow your hair back, Nikki. Even mine.
Even yours? Oh, it's so great.
73 miles per hour.
Pretty quick. Oh my gosh. I got a little dizzy getting off. Oh my gosh.
How does this rank in your personal list?
This is in my top 3 favorite outdoor coasters. Like,
I agree.
When we come here, that's a must do every single time.
It's my favorite ride here.
Oh, for sure. Favorite ride here. But in terms of like all of Central Florida, yeah, that's like,
well, I agree
it's in my
you.
top 3.
Yeah, mine too.
Yeah.
73 miles per hour. I think it's the fastest in the area.
Yeah, that first drop, woo, awesome.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it.
The hills, yeah, and the drops are something.
Yeah.
Yeah, super fun.
A lot.
But now that we've ridden a shark, we've looked at sharks, we had an entree. You know what?
What?
I want something sweet.
Ooh.
Let's find a sweet treat. The Irish Market, 7 Seas, spot number 18. And I think I'm gonna go with the bread pudding. It's new this year. Let's give it a try. $9.99 for the Jameson bread pudding. Here's a shot of the inside for you. It looks very moist. Well, that was a pretty good bread pudding. Delicious, rich, decadent even.
Oh.
That little cream glaze they put on top. Oh, so good. But, you know, I think I need something cold now. Will it be a cold drink or like a cold treat like an ice cream or something? I don't know. Stay tuned and find out.
Speaking of getting something cold, let's go to Icebreaker.
Not exactly what I had in mind, but let's do it. But wait, before we get on Icebreaker, I've discovered the Mardi Gras area of SeaWorld. Let's check it out real fast. Well, it looks like it's going to have to be a cold treat because Icebreaker is not currently running.
No.
But let's show you a new coaster. Across the water here is Pipeline, the surf coaster. Let's go take a closer look. Okay, we'll just take this bridge, get a little closer to Pipeline. Opening this spring, so it's not too far away. Pipeline surf coaster, a stand-up roller coaster. Vehicles are made to look like a surfboard. Now, stand-up roller coasters, they have been around for a long time, but Pipeline will be using a new restraint method, a patented restraint method. Should be, let's just say, a little more comfortable, guys. Let's put it that way. Here's a few stats about this new roller coaster coming to SeaWorld Orlando. It will launch up to 110 feet. SeaWorld classifies this as an extreme thrill ride. This coaster will have a height restriction, and that restriction is 54 inches, so Nikki barely makes it. You can ride this, Nikki.
Ha ha.
I mean, just look at this section of the track right here. You can't tell me if you're standing on this ride, like the surfboard vehicle, you won't feel like you're cutting some waves right here.
Oh, I know, right? Just like you'd be feeling like Kelly Slater, right?
Yeah, Kelly Slater, world-class, famous surfer.
From Cocoa.
Cocoa Beach, baby.
Yeah, so we're all gonna, imbibe our inner Kelly Slater.
Right on.
All riding this ride.
Yeah, but I have a feeling that section of the track there just looks wild if you're pretending like you're on a surfboard.
So excited.
So we're going to keep an eye on Icebreaker, see if it opens back up.
Okay.
But now we're going to make our way to the other side of the park. There's some of our favorite things over there.
I'm excited.
Things we really love.
Yes.
Maybe along the way I'll find that cold treat or cold drink I'm looking for. The Manatee Rehabilitation Center rescued manatees. We love manatee in this family.
Oh, for sure. They're probably one of my favorite, Florida sea creatures. Oh, I just love them.
And this one here is big. Look how big the sucker is. Oh my goodness.
The mama, I know. She's in a little section with 3 or 4 babies. Oh, it's just so beautiful.
And the baby ones are so cute eating their lettuce.
They are. Their little lettuce. Chum, chum, chum. So cute.
Eat your greens, kids.
So you can grow up big and strong like your mama.
You know what this reminds me of, don't you, Nikki?
Oh yes, swimming with the manatee.
We have a whole other video of us swimming with manatee in Crystal River. I think that's the only spot in Florida where you can actually swim with them. Passive observation. You can't go touch them, but you can swim with them. And if they want to come up and give you a hug and a kiss,
They can.
And they will. They will. They're just so amazing. Oh my gosh.
So I'll leave a link to that video in the description box. Go check it out. It's super fun.
And I think, according to the sign, an underwater viewing area. So let's go see what we can see there.
Now, living here in Florida and doing all the supboarding and kayaking and snorkeling that we do run across these in the wild, but it's nice to see the ones that are being saved.
Look, little dudes, it's Crush. Hey, Crush.
We could stay here for hours just watching the manatee. So beautiful. Now, the issue as to why some of these have to be rescued is boat propellers. That's the main issue. So if you're ever boating in Florida, you rent a boat or something, please observe the no wake signs. Let's protect our manatee.
Nikki says she wants to take one home. Only a plush one, Nikki. Not the real one. I know you want to feed one, a little baby one.
I saw a picture over there of them feeding a baby. I was like, oh, I need to feed a baby one.
I can't go without showing you this $27 t-shirt. It's a Manatee.
And very near the rescued manatee, we have a little alligator exhibit. This is another creature we happen to run into in the real world from time to time as we're supboarding or kayaking.
These are babies. Oh my goodness, they're so cute when they're little.
The last one we saw when we were kayaking was about twice as big as me, about a 12-footer. So yeah, these are baby ones, little baby ones.
I still would respect my, spacing with them, like if I saw them out in nature, but no, they're cute compared to the 12-foot ones. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen a cute 12-foot gator.
No, at that point they're scary. Oh my God.
What is this? Scream, splash, laugh? Why, yes. Yes, it is.
It is actually Journey to Atlantis, but unfortunately, Nikki is not wearing her quick dry clothing. We are now heading back towards the Seven Seas Food Festival. I'm on the lookout for a specialty drink.
The first place I looked, I found a drink that I want here at the Polynesian Market.
The Frozen Polynesian Summer, $14, Captain Morgan, pineapple rum, coconut cream, mango, and pineapple.
Cheers!
The Caribbean Market has a non-alcoholic drink we want to try, the Caribbean Sunset. Orange, lemonade, Sprite, and grenadine for $7. We're all in on this. Wow, both of those drinks were amazing. The alcoholic one was tremendous. With the rum, the coconut rum, the mango,
gosh, and the pineapple. It was
frozen.
I loved it. Like both of us were just like every step we're like, wow, oh this is a good one. Oh, this is great.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good.
And then we had a nice non-alcoholic alternative.
Yeah, and that was really light
and refreshing. Perfect for a summer day here in Florida.
You would think,
February 23rd.
February.
Almost 90 degrees, so
oh my God.
Both were very refreshing. So
yes, but I loved the coconut, rum, pineapple rum one. Oh, so good.
You're a pirate, of course.
I love it. Well, that was so much fun.
A nice little excursion.
Yes, exactly. Nice to, get off work and come here. It's such a great day.
That's what you do in a pop-in. Pop in for a little bit, have a little bit of fun, a little bit of food.
I love it.
And we did all that, so.
We did.
Nothing else to say but.
Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.
Click that subscribe button.
His name is Rick, her name is Nikki, showing how theme parks are done. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Hit subscribe.